Hey guys, so my next step is to trim the tops. And I did this side. I wanted to make sure that my method worked. But let me show you this side and how I'm going to do it. So what I have is, I have a board. That is my straight edge clamped to the fence. And I already put a level on it. And basically what you do is you just run it straight across. And I'm using my circular saw over there. Got my ladder out, and I will not be able to show you guys the rip because I'm by myself. Alicia is in her crafty room. So let's get started, guys, and let's get this side cut, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Sound good? All right, guys, hang on. So honestly, I have to say this is probably the most difficult part of the build, because you're working above your head and you're working with a saw that's kind of dangerous. And if you don't know what you're doing, guys, please don't do this. You know, I mean, it takes a skilled person to know how to do this, but I am skilled, so let's keep going, guys. Okay guys, just a quick, so we did the same thing for the angle here. We lined the angle up with the distance from the guide on the saw, put our board up, and I have to like get up and down because I have to be right on it, otherwise it gets kind of unsafe. But then we measured from the tier up 7, it's like 7 1/8. So we're almost done cutting, but I wanted to make sure that you guys seen how we did that. We put a guide, measured the distance from the guide to the saw blade, and that's how we got that edge. Did you show them? Yeah, I already showed them. Okay. All right, guys, hang on. Okay guys, so she's going to take the clamps off.
Got it.
All right, and I'm going to stand back so you guys can kind of get the gist. Looks pretty good, don't you think? All right, let's go on this side, take a gander of it, come back here so you guys can see it really good. Oh wow, that looks really nice. What do you guys think? I love it. Yeah, that turned out really, really super clean. Look at that. The spacing on this last panel looks really good. It's not too short. It blends really well. Yeah, that turned out really super slick. Anybody need a bunch of wood ends? Pine? Should be able to make something out of them. Alright guys, look at that. Yep, that project is completely finished. Yes, the fence is completely finished. Not too terribly hard. This skill level, I would put that as a 5, cutting those off, unless you plan on doing with a handsaw. But I'm skilled enough to where I feel pretty comfortable at handling my skill saw. So I don't have any issues with it. But man, that is super slick. What do you think?
Love it.
She loves it. Yay! All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Awesome. Just love it.